Thing of beauty. Hi everybody, this is how you put on a belt over wheel attachment. In this particular case, it's on an edge. All of our belt assemblies are the same. The ones that add to machinists or tradesmen, we all have the same type of pivot plate. In the case of a belt over wheel on an 8-inch grinder, the plate is wider and a little bit thinner, but the process is the same. You have the belt frame, you have the pivot plate. The concept here is that this fits over the pivot plate. These screws are short screws, and they're designed just to overlap this surface a little bit so that the washers come in contact with this rim and allows you to set the tension of this assembly. So you can put either 3 or 6 of these screws into this position on the machine. And what happens is the resistance between the washer and the frame allows you to set this tension. Correctly adjusted, the belt should stay in position either in the back or the front of the machine. In the case of our machinists or our belt, you should be able to sharpen knives either in front or in back, depending on how you want to do it. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Any questions, send us an email, cuttermaster@gmail.com.
Flat, so the orientation matters, so you put the roller at the top of the stroke. When you're looking at the flat for the set screw, you put this edge of the spring into the 11 o'clock hole, and you use the first hole for the right tension, holding the roller at the top, twisting it a bit. You find the flat, and there you have it, and then you tighten this, snug up the top set screw. There you have it.